Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. This is just a short video to let you guys know that first in advance I would like to apologise for the short notice I've been given. This coming Wednesday, the 16th of January 2019, Phil from STV, Sydney Trains Vlogs, and yours truly will be holding the first meet and greet in 2 years. It will be meeting at Central Station between platforms 9 and 10 about 12:30 p.m. this coming Wednesday, the 16th of January. I will try to venture out on the Carnival line to get some veteran assets before they eventually retire. Just as an example, so if you'd like to come along to our meet and greet this coming Wednesday, please put your name in the comment section below if you're attending. We'd like to see as many people as we can out at Central, as this meet and greet is to help celebrate Phil on his 5 years of Sydney Trains Vlogs. 5 years as such came in very fast and very quickly. So this meet and greet, I'm co-hosting with Phil. This meet and greet is also exactly a year on for my previous one that I've hosted last year at Warnervale. This meet and greet will be meeting at Central Station between platforms 9 and 10 about 12:30 p.m. this coming Wednesday, the 16th of January 2019. So once again, I would like to apologise sincerely in advance for the short notice. So anyway, viewers, time now to wrap up the meet and greet. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen to receive updates about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you at the meet and greet this coming Wednesday. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.